Welcome back to my C3 Corvette project build. This is episode 2, but it's week. My first video was 2 weeks ago. This is gonna be the 2-week update. But if you missed the first video, you gotta see the first video first before you see this video. I'm gonna have a link for episode 1 in the description, so y'all go check it out first before y'all watch episode 2. Before I show you the progress for episode 2, I'm gonna show you little snippets of videos when I remember to record what I was doing. I'm gonna do that first and then show you the update. Just coated this. I gotta do that part, that interior part, this interior part, this. And if you rode this in the rain for like a month, now I gotta clean them, get them back how he was. Got this to clean up. I cleaned it up. I started right here. I gotta finish the rest of it. All this, I'm outside. What is like an outside tent, so sometimes it get wet. Everything got wet. This got wet. So I had to clean that back up. The radiator that I bought, it's smaller, so it doesn't fit on the shroud. The original shroud, it doesn't fit. So I have to cut these off. I had to cut right here and right here so it could fit, because this radiator is smaller than the original one, so I had to cut that. I gotta get these two lines out so I can get, hold on. Gotta get these two lines out so I get this changed, cleaned up, changed the hoses, all that. See, right now I'm doing the AC lines. I gotta take this hose out, this hose out. I got this one new. See, it's ripped. It's supposed to have two. There's gonna be two hoses. It's ripped. I'm gonna show you when I'm done. I get those two out. I got both of those hoses out. This is the old hose, the old AC compressor hose. This the new one. This the new hose. All that was gone, tore up. This body, the person who had it before, they fiberglassed an older bumper to the newer style body. So I gotta cut off the back part so I can make it fit down here, because it won't go over it. So I gotta cut it off to make it fit. So the person who had this car before me, I just cut the back bumper off. It's not the whole back bumper, but some of it. But when I put the body on, it was still sitting up. It was sitting on top of this. So I couldn't get it right. So I had to cut a fiberglass, the old bumper, to the body. So I had to cut it off. Because you see, right in there, they put the two pieces together and fiberglassed it onto here. But I'm not fiberglass, I'm putting the original bumper back on. So I had to cut that off. And then before I cut it off, I had redid the fuel lines. But so far I have to put the seal back on the gas tank. That's the bad thing for the fuel lines. Just put the seal. Put the seal back on the gas tank. Connect the hose, and that's it for the rest of the fuel lines. That's what I had to do. And then let me see what else. So I had the front clip. Let me show you. Oh, this part right here. So I had this part of the front clip. It was broke like right here. So I had got this piece from another front clip, and I fiberglassed it. I fiberglassed that together, but I ain't finished it. I gotta finish filling this in. I had to fill all this in, sand it down, finish all that. But I sanded the inside, painted it black. I gotta finish redoing the headlights. Well, I gotta do the new springs on the headlights. What else? I have to. Once I put it on the car, I'ma do this. Do these little cracks right here, cause it's on the ground right now, so I can't really get to it. So when I have it on the car, it's gonna be up, so I can really get to those spots. It's this crack, that crack. It's same two on that side. It's right here, and same two on that side I gotta get to. Also, when I was going, I put on the AC line, a new AC line, because it was broke. Let me see. I don't have the old one no more. But the new AC line, it still got a little bushing on it. I have to get a retap and die kit, because the inside of that is stripped. Like the front part is stripped. So I got a retap and die kit, so I can retap that, so I get the harmonic balance in and all the other pulleys and stuff in. Also, I had to, let me show you. On the update, I put the new brake booster. Between 2 weeks update, I put the new brake booster in. All the brake lines. Also, I had to clean. I left these outside. It was new rotors. I left them outside. I had to clean the surface. And had to, before I put these on, I had to redo the emergency parking brake, the drum brakes, I believe. Yeah, drum brakes. I had to redo the drum brakes on the inside, because they wouldn't fit on, because they was messed up and old. I couldn't put the rotor back on, so I had to get new those. I still have to put on the caliper. I still need a caliper rebuild. I'm waiting for that to come in the mail, so I can redo the calipers and I could bleed all the brakes once I do that. Wait, I had to do something else for the front rotors. The front rotors is different from the back rotors. For the front rotors, I have to drill these pieces out. Let me show you. For the front rotors, I have new front rotors, but I need this area right here. So I have to drill, let me see which one I do. Well, I have to drill the center of each one, so it could come and fit through, these holes. Cause it's a top part. You just drill that part out and you can fit right back through that. So I gotta do that. I got a drill set. I need some drill bits to fit. Drill all those. Once I drill those, I can put those back on there. Put the brakes on and bleed the whole brake system out. Once I do that, started, I have to finish probably like a day or two. I finish all the wiring for the front wiring. I put the steering wheel in. I got wires connected to the steering wheel back. Wires connected back to that. Gotta go way back that way. You gotta finish all the AC stuff. All the wires that go all the way back in there. But I redid all the interior pieces, all the interior trims, the seats. All that's ready. It's ready to go back in, but I'm waiting on the wiring. I gotta finish the wiring first. Then I can do the carpets. Put all the seats back in. And I can put the windshield. Once I get the wiring done, I might put the windshield in today or tomorrow. But on the next update, the windshield gonna be in. Most likely all the interior gonna be in. But I'm gonna put part 3. Part 3 is when I'm trying to get the engine started. That's gonna be part 3 video when I'm trying to get the engine started. That's gonna be in about 2, 3, 4 days. That's gonna be part 3 video. In part 3, the front clip should be on by then. The windshield should be in by then. Not all the interior, but some of the interior should be in. But we're gonna see how that turns out. If you want to see how the rest of the C3 Corvette project builds go, subscribe, click the bell so you know when I upload. And then from now, well, this is gonna be this is the beginning of my YouTube channel. So for now, it's just gonna be the Corvette build. And then once the Corvette done, it's gonna be other classic car builds, new car builds. Is whatever I get my hands on I want to build for that moment, or whatever y'all tell me I should learn how to build. But for now, that's it for episode 2.